Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session for you. And today we are going to do community helpers. So, before starting our today's topic, I wanted to remind you, please subscribe my channel for more updates. As from today, we are starting our new series of EVS, Environmental Studies. So, for your children from class 1 to 3, I'll be starting new series of EVS, and our first topic is community helpers. Moving on to next one, which is judge. So who is a judge? A judge is a person who presides over court proceedings either alone or a part of a panel of judges. So कौन है जज? जज एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो कोर्ट में जितने भी केसेस होते हैं उनको सुनकर उनके ऊपर एक फाइनल डिसीजन देते हैं, वेदर द थिंग इज करेक्ट or not. They decide it, or they can judge that case alone or with the panel of judges. With more judges they can judge the case. Let's move on to next one, which is lawyer. So who is a lawyer? A lawyer or attorney is a person who practices law as an advocate, attorney at law. So lawyer कौन है? So जब आप कोई केस फाइल करते हो, you need a person to speak for you in that court, और वो person को हम बोलते हैं lawyer, और lawyer को हम और क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं? attorney, advocate, attorney at law. So हमारी बात को कन्वे करने के लिए जज के सामने हम किससे बोलते हैं? लॉयर से बोलते हैं. Let's move on to next one, which is librarian. So who is a librarian? A librarian is a person who works professionally in a library, providing access to information and sometimes social or technical programming to users. So librarian कौन है? एक professional पर्सन जो लाइब्रेरी को संभालता है, like what books are coming or what books are going, what books are available in the library, or if you have submitted back on the time or not. So keeping all the records of the books in the library is the work of librarian. Let's move on to next one, which is mechanic. So who is a mechanic? A mechanic is a skilled tradesperson or technician who uses tools to build, maintain or repair machinery. So कौन है मैकेनिक? एक ट्रेड्स पर्सन या उसे टेक्नीशियन भी कहते हैं, और ये क्या करता है? या तो बिल्ड करता है, या रिपेयर करता है, या मेंटेन करता है मशीनरी को, लाइक कार्स और बसेस. तो जब भी इनमें कुछ भी खराबी आती है या इन्हें बनाना होता है तो वो कौन करता है? दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ मैकेनिक. Now let's move on to next community helper, which is a nurse. So who is a nurse? A nurse is a person who works in a hospitals or outpatient facilities where they provide hands-on care to patients by administering medications. So नर्स कौन है? एक ऐसी पर्सन जो हॉस्पिटल या कहीं पर भी जहाँ पर पेशेंट्स को फैसिलिटी की ज़रूरत होती है कि कोई उनका टेक केयर कर सके व्हेन दे आर नॉट वेल, तो वहाँ पर नर्स होती है टेक केयर करने के लिए. Like sometimes some situations happen like wars or floods or earthquakes, there are set up tents for the medical care. So who work there? Nurses. In hospitals, when doctor visit and write you have to take this medicine and you are admitted there, so who take cares of it? Nurse take cares of it. And if you are very seriously ill at your home, nurse take care of it. Now let's move on to next one, which is painter. So who is a painter? A painter is a person whose job is painting buildings. So what kind of buildings? Painter कौन है जो पेंट करता है buildings को, लेकिन कौन सी buildings? Like your house, like your school, like any office or other building in whole city, whole town. Who paints those buildings? Painter paints those buildings. Next is paramedic. So who is paramedic? I hope you have listened this word for the first time, that paramedic is a community helper. A paramedic is a specialist healthcare professional who responds to emergency calls for medical help outside of a hospital. So paramedic कौन है? Have you seen ambulance? So in an ambulance, persons travel with the ambulance who can operate the things which are kept in the ambulance, like oxygen or maybe first aid. So those persons are paramedics. What are they doing in the ambulance? If you need immediate help, you call for the ambulance and they take you with minimum sources available in the ambulance. So it is the work of paramedic. Now next is pilot. So who is a pilot? A pilot is someone who is in the aviation industry and who is able to operate aircraft in order to transport passengers or goods from one location to another. So पायलट कौन है? जो एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में वर्क करता है. एविएशन इज रिलेटेड टू एयरक्राफ्ट, यानी कि एरोप्लेन्स जो चलाते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? पायलट. अब पायलट वो भी होते हैं जो पर्सन्स को कैरी करके दूसरे लोकेशन पे लेकर जाते हैं, और पायलट्स वो भी होते हैं जो एयरक्राफ्ट में कोई भी गुड्स को लेकर कैरी करके पोस्ट को लेकर जाते हैं. सो ऑल दोज आर पायलट्स who operate aircraft, aeroplanes or helicopters. Now let's move on to next one, which is plumber. So who is a plumber? A plumber is a tradesperson who specializes in installing and maintaining systems used for potable drinking water, sewage and drainage in plumbing system. So plumber कौन है? जो भी आपके घर की पाइपलाइंस जिसमें पानी आता है, चाहे वो क्लीन वाटर है, चाहे वो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, उसमें जब भी कोई गड़बड़ होती है तो हम किसे बुलाते हैं? प्लम्बर को. सो वो इन सब चीज़ों को ठीक भी करता है, और अगर हमें न्यू लगानी है तो न्यू भी लगाता है. सो ही रिपेयर्स एंड ऑल्सो इंस्टॉल्स ऑल दीज सिस्टम्स. नेक्स्ट इज पुलिसमैन. सो हु इज अ पुलिसमैन? Policeman is also known as officer or police officer. He maintains law and order. So आप पुलिसमैन के पास जाते हैं जब भी कोई ट्रबल होती है. If someone is hurting you or teasing you, bullying you, you can go to police officer. Or any crime is happening in your city should be reported to policeman. So what is the work of policeman? To maintain law and order. Next one is postman. So who is the postman? A postman is a person who is employed to deliver or collect letters and parcels. So postman कौन है? जो letters को deliver करता है आपके घर पर और कलेक्ट करता है पोस्ट बॉक्स से जहाँ पर आपने ड्रॉप किया है, और आपके पार्सल्स और लेटर्स को दूसरे लोकेशन पे जहाँ भेजना चाहते हो वहाँ पहुँचाता है. पोस्टमैन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मेलमैन. और क्या कहते हैं पोस्टमैन को? मेलमैन भी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रिपोर्टर. सो हु इज द रिपोर्टर? A reporter is a type of journalist who researches, writes and report on information in order to present in sources, conduct interviews, engage in research and make reports. तो कौन है रिपोर्टर? जो भी आपकी कंट्री में, वर्ल्ड में जो भी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, whether it is good or bad, they collect information about it and present it to you as a news. There are two ways to present it. They can present it on the news channel, or they can write a report in the newspaper. So all those are generalists. Next one is scientist. So who is a scientist? A scientist is someone who systematically gathers and uses research and evidence to make a hypothesis and test them to gain and share understanding and knowledge. So साइंटिस्ट कौन है? जो बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करते हैं, उन पर रिसर्च करते हैं एंड कोई ना कोई न्यू इन्वेंशन लेकर आते हैं जिससे कॉमन पीपल को कुछ ना कुछ हेल्प मिलती है. लाइक नाउअडेज scientists are researching on the medicine of COVID-19 so that they can help common people to survive COVID-19. Next one is soldier. So who is a soldier? A soldier is a person who fights as a part of an army. कौन है? जो आर्मी का एक पार्ट होता है और फाइट करता है. Why do they fight? They fight to save their country from the enemies. Now let's see, the next one is sweeper. So who is a sweeper? A sweeper is a person that cleans a floor or road by sweeping. क्या करते हैं स्वीपर? जो भी आपकी रोड्स हैं उनको क्लीन करते हैं, या आपके घर के फ्लोर्स, या आपके स्कूल या ऑफिसेस के फ्लोर्स को क्लीन करते हैं. सो दोज आर स्वीपर्स हु क्लीन द फ्लोर्स एंड द रोड्स. Next one is teacher. Who is a teacher? A teacher is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, competence or virtue. So कौन है टीचर? जो आपको हर सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड और वर्ल्ड रिलेटेड नॉलेज देती हैं, so that you can compete when you grow up and you go out in the world, because the world is not till you're 12. The actual world starts when you get out of the school and experience all the real things in the world. Now the next one is veterinarian. So who is a veterinarian? A veterinarian or a vet is a professional who practices veterinary medicine by treating diseases, disorders and injuries in animals. कौन है veterinarian या vet भी बोलते हैं? जो animals के diseases या disorders या injuries को ठीक करते हैं. अगर उन्हें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उन्हें मेडिकेट करते हैं. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I have incorporated so many community helpers to make you aware, and I hope you will learn them all slowly and gradually. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos on EVS. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.